Kickstart your San Antonio student adventure at Campus Edge on UTSA Boulevard, a vibrant community blending resort-style design with unbeatable campus convenience. Choose from spacious layouts with 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments featuring private bathrooms. Each space includes hardwood-style flooring, ceiling fans, private balcony, and smart furniture for seamless living. Community amenities rival top-tier resorts. 24-hour fitness center, basketball and sand volleyball courts, swimming pool with sun deck, hot tub, yoga studio, movie theater room, recreation center, BBQ grills, and a 24-hour academic success center with PCs, Macs, and free printing. Pet-friendly spaces, controlled access, and 24/7 emergency maintenance round out daily convenience. Utilities include high-speed internet, trash, and in-unit washers and dryers. Located at 6802 UTSA Boulevard, the property sits next to the University of Texas at San Antonio and Our Lady of the Lake University. Commutes are effortless with nearby bus stops at Babcock north of Springtime and Babcock Springtime and Sunset Haven, plus the Whistle Stop train station. Ready to live where style, study, and campus collide? Book a tour and secure a spot at Campus Edge on UTSA Boulevard today at amberstudent.com.